Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations. Today I come to show you, trying to push my chair back up, my Tonic Craft Kit for, I think this one is for February. I think. Yeah, this I'll be current on this one. I did skip January's. It was at Sunflower or something or another. And remember I told y'all can skip if you get ahead enough notice by looking at the videos that they come out, because they post what the new kit will be on the 20th. Every month, the 20th for the next month. So they have played the one on February 20th for March 1st. We normally get charged on the 1st and they ship out. So if y'all want to see what the next one is, you see it anytime on the 20th and thereafter. And if you want to skip, you need to do it before, I forgot what date it is. But anyway, let's get into this kit. Yes, let's move it to the side. And what is this? You Bake the World a Better Place. That's cute. That's the Stamp Club. That must be the new Stamp Club. Alright, so first thing I always like to look at is the papers. So they always come in this magnificent sleeve. Let me get the paper out. Oh yes, I'm remembering now. Oh, my daughter is going to love this. I'm gonna make her one. All right, so a lot of paper this time. They did say that, didn't they? All right, so this one is kit number 64, and it came with 2 of the vellum sheets that they offer, and it's called Pure White. We get 2 of those. Awesome. And then for the, okay, it's got to be the smooth card. We get 2 smooth card. Oh, it only says 1, but I'm getting 2. Yay! It is Chili Red. I got 2 Chili Red. Then for the pearlescent card, I got Luna Silver. Remember, pearlescents are double-sided. You get them both on both sides. Then we got 1 of glitter cardstock Ruby Ritz. Beautiful. Ruby Ritz. Then we got, is this 2 or 1? Yeah. 2 of the, I think this is the 110. Let me see. Yeah. Smooth card. You get 2 of them. Black. Smooth card black. That's the 110, and they are double-sided. Then we got this beautiful black. I love this glitter card black. It's called Black Sapphire. Black Sapphire. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. And then we get 1 of, I see that's, the other one's a mirror card, so I'm going to leave it like that. This one is a mirror card, Frosted Silver. Frosted Silver. And then we got a mirror card that is this red, Ruby Ritz. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Alright, so this cardstock, this is good for what it is. Yes. I love how they did that. Gave us 2 so we can really complete the project. And they let you test out their vellum. I already have their vellum, and I love it. You know I do. Alright, so that's the cardstock. Secondly, I like to do the Nouveau. This time, I'm so glad I got this one. Okay, so I think there was 2 choices you were going to get. You were either going to get Principal Inks or Merry and Bright. And I got Merry and Bright. The Principal Inks, I think, was like a black, a dark gray, and a light gray. So I'm glad. I know I like bright colors. So this one is Sliced Strawberry, Moroccan Teal, and Marble Statue. And you can see the colors here. Very nice. Y'all know I gotta try. And I know once I try, I'll be buying all they darn ink. Alright, so let's see what we got in here this time. I love their Nouveau bags. All right, don't look like a lot. Huh, guess because they gave a lot of the papers, I guess. Oh, they gave us a dauber with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 foams. I guess so you can use your inks there. So nice. 1. Then for, what is this? That's a blending dauber. I wanted to say that, blending dauber. This is Glacier Paste, and it is in the color Winter White. Oh, I love this one. You can mix colors with this one, you know, because it's white. Add in anything. If I wanted to use my Nouveau Drops right here, this chocolate, I wanted to mix in a little bit, it'll change to that color. Isn't that nice? Yes. Then this one is a crystal drop. I don't know if I have this one. This one is Silver Lining. Silver Lining. I don't know if I have this one. That's awesome. I got to go through my collection again to see. So that's all we had in this Nouveau bag this time. So let's get to the dies. This one is called Terrific Telephone Box. Terrific Telephone Treat Box. I love the image they put on there. Yes, guys, it is a freaking telephone booth. What are you talking about? I absolutely love when I saw them putting this together. I was like, yes. All right, so of course it comes with some stamps. Telephone, well done, have a treat. Even has some little flowers, some vines, and a crown. Yes. So the phone booth, oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. The doors, they call it a TARDIS. But my daughter is going to absolutely love this because she loves Doctor Who. And I got to make her that blue telephone booth. She is going to love that. Look at this. That's the door. I have to figure out what these pieces are. I know that's the lid. I think the top little arch. And we have 2 of these. So one looks a little wider. Yeah, one's a little wider than that one. I guess so you could double mat maybe? Because that is wider, but it doesn't have the door handle. This has the door handle here. So I don't know what the difference is. You can tell by looking at it, it's a different size. This is going inside of that. I'm going to have to watch the video. So there's the crown. The instructions are behind it. Oh, that's the top. I remember seeing that on the TARDIS. And this says happy birthday, just to say, and then telephone. These will cut out. This will emboss. It says telephone. This is so stinking awesome. Let me show y'all what it looks like on this example. I can't wait to play with this. I'm gonna leave this one out because I need to make one for my daughter. Look at that. Look at this telephone booth. What are you talking about? And it's a magnetic closure. This is awesome. Let me see if they have one on the other side. Yep. Then they got one like this using the just to say, have a treat, and then they got the embossing of the flower, well, not embossing, stamping of the flowers, and it looks like it's over here as well. So cute. Look like they put the little crowns on top. This is a super cute subscription box. Absolutely love it. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Did y'all get this kit? I can't wait to create it. You know I'll show you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.